Now let's quickly decode this key interim framework that has been reached between the US and India. Now, US has said that it will cut tariffs on India from 50% to 18%. Now, this is going to be crucial, and essentially this interim trade framework opens up a path to a broader bilateral trade deal now, which is expected to be inked by mid-March. Now, this comes after crucial talks between US President Trump and Prime Minister Modi earlier this week. And it essentially has two aspects. Now, one is, of course, the sectors where India will cut tariffs. Now, India is going to cut tariffs on all US industrial goods as well as certain agricultural products while protecting India's domestic agricultural sector. Now, so what are these agricultural products where India is going to cut tariffs? Now, these include tree nuts, oil, red sorghum, which is used for fertilizers and animal feed, while protecting the domestic agricultural sector. Now, a big win for India will be that US is removing tariffs on textiles, leather, chemicals, and also after the trade deal is reached, it will also remove tariffs on pharma, on gems, on aircraft parts. India will also get preferential access for auto parts, a big win and a huge benefit for India's auto sector. Now, on the other side, India will address US concerns on non-tariff barriers, a concern and a friction point that had remained between the US and India, which now India has agreed to address certain concerns that the United States has on non-tariff barriers. India, meanwhile, we have insights into the $500 billion investment that US President Trump had announced in his tweet earlier this week. Now, India plans to invest $500 billion purchases from US in 5 years. Now, in what sectors? This is going to be energy, aircraft parts, tech. Now, this deal, this framework and this eventual deal will deepen strategic ties between India and the US, technological ties, as well as a supply chain alignment. Now, looking at how this India-US trade deal will boost digital India, Make in India. Now, this will give India quicker access to US information and communication technology goods. This is going to be a big push to setting up data centers. Also a crucial focus that we saw in the budget 2026 that was announced. It will also strengthen electronics and semiconductor value chains, a major aspect, especially given the current volatility of global markets. It's also going to be a huge support to domestic manufacturing, with consumers set to benefit with reduced costs, several MSME startups to gain through job creation, and this is going to be a major boost to Make in India.